How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today, I have a lot of people asking me about Mara. It's going down a lot, and it had a high of like $34 over here, and now we're sitting at $15, which is nuts. We lost 100% in like from 228 all the way to 415, almost 2 months time frame. I'm going to show you guys what the system tells me so you guys can ignore a lot of the false buys and only buy at the safest levels. And if you do this, you will be a profitable trader and have financial freedom. And before I get right into this, if you guys want me to go over exactly what I buy with how the system works and my exact entries, I have a premium Discord that I'll show you right now. It's only $6 and you get my exact entries and exits of an over 95% win ratio, and I'll put that link down to the YouTube comments below. And the reason why I say that is because a lot of people are hurting. Not a lot of people understand what's going on, and they're just randomly buying, right? They can see, for example, Mara, and it goes up, and I know a lot of people got bag holding up in here because they think, okay, this is going with the crypto, we're going to go to the moon, and let's just buy as much as we can. But the reverse has happened because you're not seeing what is happening. And according to this strategy, when price gets close to the upper band, there tends to be a sell-off. It doesn't have to, but it tends to be a sell-off. So in my risk versus reward, would I be buying Mara up in here? The answer is no. If I'm swing trading this, which is I'm a swing trader and that's what I teach, I would not buy Mara because it's too close to the upper band. Look at the price range. You can make a couple dollars, but you can also lose a lot. And it's not the best risk versus reward. The second thing I want to show you guys is my yellow band. That is going to be your EMA 10. That's known as my middle band. Price has to hit that in a short amount of time. When I mean a short amount of time, I'm talking anything a month and over is extremely rare. 2 to 3 weeks is usually where you'll see price constantly hit it. For example, price goes up one day. It starts at the middle band here. It goes up 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 days. That's your first week right there. And then it goes down and hits this middle band, gets close to the upper band, sells off. So that was a week and 2 days. So that's how we're going to base our trades. We're going to look at time distance along with the lower band. I want to place my trades where this lower band is, this green band right in here. I want to look for trades like that. So in the market downturn, when Mara was $3, this is where I would look for my trades. For example, we want to make sure price is as close as possible to the lower band, and this right here meets the criteria. And then we would look at time. Time distance from the EMA touch was 12/13/2022. Guess when it hits it? It's going to hit it. I promise you it's going to hit it. It has to hit it, and it hits it at 103. So if you look at the mathematics for all these stocks, just do a back testing, you will see a very good formula on when you want to take your trades based on the time distance. But you can't just do time distance. You want to make sure is price as close as possible to this lower band. And then the last thing I look at is a low K on the KDJ. You've been probably asking, what is this line right here? This is going to be your stochastic indicator. As you can see right in here, you can see it's at 5, 6, 8. But look at when I go over to this, 3.99. Anything under 5 is extremely low for the K on the KDJ. So you would look for your entries in that area. And like I said, I do want to keep you guys in mind, I will not get the exact bottom. It's impossible to do it. But with this strategy, it's a swing trading strategy. So since we're getting close to the bottom, I have accumulation rolls. I call it the 6 ad roll. And that's the more the ads you do, the bigger the money you get. So let's say, for example, I wouldn't take this trade rated here. Well, let's say I take the trade at this low end at 331. It goes to 311. I have another ad at like 315. So you would have like 2 ads right in there. And then all those ads profit. And then, like we said, we go in here. And then what I try to do is trail, stop, loss. The minute it hits this EMA 10, it can very well go to the EMA 20. And it has to hit the EMA 22. but that's a longer time frame, so it's harder to adjust to it. That's why I use the EMA 10 for time distance. EMA 20 you're looking at long is like 2 months. So right in here, beautiful time distance, close to lower band, you make some nice gains. And that's the purpose of this strategy, is taking the best risk versus rewards in your trading. Right in here was another one, right here, time distance. You get close to the lower band, you get a nice little spike of 12%. I would have easily taken that gain right in there. So you guys actually, so I showed you some back testing. As you can see, same thing with sells. It gets to the upper band, sells off, gets close to the upper band, sells off. And that's kind of where we're at right in here. We have a nice upper band here. As you can see too, this is why you use time distance. Because if you, let's say you want to do the inverse, you don't want to be a bull, you want to buy puts. So you have your time distance at 12.13. Right in here, we know it's going to hit the middle band. It hits it at 12.29. That is 12.23. So we have right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your week 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, you want to wait at least around a week and a half to 2 weeks. So you would be looking for your trades right in here. You accumulate your shares. It does one last big move up, and you do massive ads on here for your puts. And I have a nice option video of how I like to do the best safe risk versus reward with this strategy. I look for 3 to 6 months out in the money options, and guess what? 10% down, 17% down. You're making bank right in there, massive money, because you know it's going to hit that middle band. Let's look at the current price. Right here, we have a middle band touch at 408, 2024, so very recent. Count each candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a whole week right in here of candles not hitting it. Remember, we look for 2 weeks. I want to see one more week on this watch list, not hitting the middle band, close as possible to the lower band with a low K on the KDJ of less than 5 at least. And that's what I want to see. So if you do all these things, you would be like, wow, why the heck was I buying it up here at the upper band? Why was I buying it right in here when it's not even close to the lower band just for to bag hold? Why was I even buying it when it's magneted to this EMA 10 when price can go either way? It can go up or down. That's it wouldn't make sense to do that because it's like flipping a coin. You know, you're like, okay, I'm hoping it goes up and it doesn't, or I'm hoping it goes down and don't. You want to make the best risk versus reward. And yes, this trade is setting up nicely. And if you would have had this trade way back here at the $3 and you just wanted to use this strategy as for investment services, you could have bought this at $3. And over time, over a year or two, you just wanted to hold it. Price is still at $15 here. I mean, you definitely would have sold it at $30. You would have made massive money. So this strategy, you want to look for the best risk versus reward. I tell that to my Discord members, and that is how I am over 95% win ratio of not losing. If you look right into it, I have a premium Discord. If you want to get to learn more on how professionals trade, on over 1,000 members in the Discord, and like I said, I don't have to charge a lot because once, you know, there's a lot of members in here, I want to make sure every trader can get into it. And if you lost tons of money in the market, I'm not going to try to get as much money out of you. It's going to be $6 a month. Any account size can do it, and you can easily make the fee out. If I don't make you that fee of only $6, sure, you can cancel it and then move on, but I promise you, you will like it. So in this Discord, you're going to get RTK, which is Reversal Trader King Swing Trades. This is where you have the over 95% win ratio, and you're going to get my exact entries in here. You get to know when I add, because like I said, I talk about the 6 ad rule. When you get closer to the 6 ads, that's actually really nice. And don't be scared to do it because that's your big money. Your big money is when you get closer to the 6 ads, and those are going to be your more stubborn stocks. We have day trade alerts, and then the education videos is the most important. Watch this video on how to do the trend trading strategy because it's going to set up all your indicators on how to chart like this, properly use it. Because this is a brief video, and I don't have all the technicals and the time to explain everything. I just want to talk about Mara. Where am I looking at? My price prediction is lower band. That is currently at $12. And then I want to make sure there's plenty of room up to the middle band, which is currently at $17.70. and price will fluctuate. So that's why, as you can see, this fluctuates, right? With the price. Same with the lower band. That's why you want to make sure you have plenty of room to the downside and much upside to the middle band. As you can see right here, when price went above, it goes down. You want to make sure, like right in here, there was massive upside to this middle band. As you can see, look at the upside from here to here, and there's where you can make your gains, right? So if you guys want to join the premium Discord, it's going to be only $6. It's going to be forever $6 to help you guys out in this economy and to be a successful trader. I'm going to put that link down to the YouTube comments below, and I'll pin it. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts, and these are going to be your best trades where you can put massive money in and be safe about it because you're buying bottom trades. So when you join the premium Discord, you'll get into this free chat landing page. When you click on the link in my description and comment section, this does not mean you're a subscriber. What you want to do is find the subscriptions drop down where you'll see all these channels. No worries. Once you subscribe and click on premium chat or any of them, it'll opt you to subscribe for $6, and it's $6 on your computer. Because if you do it on your phone, it will charge you an iOS fee of maybe $1 or $2. It's not like outrageous, but just keep in mind it is cheaper on computer. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, Mara. I got a lot of people that have been really wanting me to do a video on it. This is what the chart looks like. I love catching reversals, and I hope this thing sets up really well for us. And I do want to take this trade eventually because I do like this. I do like this stock. So if you do like the video, give it a like, subscribe, and comment. Those help the channel so much. I can't tell you guys, like, if you take the extra second to actually like and subscribe and comment, it means a lot to me. You can tell me what your average share price is, anything you want to say. It means a lot, and it'll help me keep making these videos. Thank you so much, guys. I hope to see you in the premium Discord, and I promise you guys I'm going to make you guys some money. Take care.